Hello, scholars. Today we start our week describing cause and effect. So, first, let's start off with the standard. Our standard for this week is RI3. Describe the relationship between a series of historical events, scientific ideas or concepts, or steps in technical procedures in a text, using language that pertains to time, sequence, and cause and effect. Now, let's make it kid friendly. Our I can statement for the week and for today is I can define and use language related to cause and effect. So let's get started. So in your packet, you will see it under lesson 4, describing cause and effect. So let's jump in. A heavy storm hits and the large tree falls. The storm is the cause or the reason the tree falls. So when we're looking to see what a cause is, it's why something happened. The fallen tree is the effect or what happens as a result of the storm. The connection between these two events is an example of a cause and effect relationship. As you may notice, you see bolded words. These bolded words also have a definition in the text, and there also are power words for the week. These are important words that you'll need to know in order to answer your questions. Understanding cause and effect can help you see how events and ideas are related. Writers often use words such as because, if then, since, so, therefore, and as a result to signal and explain a cause and effect relationship. Now, think to yourself, and we just read this cartoon. What cause and effect relationship do you see? I'll give you about 30 seconds to read through the cartoon and figure out what is the cause and effect relationship. Okay, so let's start with the first scene of the cartoon. Henry got a balloon at the party. Henry blew up the balloon. The balloon popped because Henry blew it up too much. Now, let's look at this last scene. What is one of those signal words that we learned right here? What is a signal word that we see? You're right, it's because. So let's look to see what was the effect. A lot of times it's easier to figure out what happened and then go back and say, why did that happen? So what happened was the balloon popped. That's what happened. But let's figure out, why did the balloon pop? I'll give you some time to think. Excellent. The balloon popped because Henry blew it up too much. Pat yourself on the back for a great job. Okay, let's keep going. Now, in your packet, let's go to this page. We're going to revisit the cartoon again. Fill in this cause and effect chart to tell what happened. So, in this section, what actually happened? As we know, we see that the balloon popped. That is our effect. The balloon popped. But let's go back and revisit. Why did the balloon pop? Take some time to fill out why the balloon popped in this section. All right. So, what did you write as what the cause was? If you wrote that the cause was that Henry blew it up too much, you're right. Excellent. Give yourself a high five. Now, let's transition. We want you to write 1 or 2 sentences describing what happened. Use words such as because, so, or as a result to show cause and effect. Now, after you've done that, you will use your response for this question, and you can talk to a neighbor, either a big sister, a brother, your mom or your dad, or your favorite stuffed animal. After you've done this page, please go into the description box that's for this video and fill out the exit ticket. Remember, all of your teachers are going to be looking at the exit tickets to make sure that you've understood the lesson and that you are doing your wonderful ELA work. Please make sure that your exit ticket is submitted. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teachers. Now, let's do a recap of what we've learned today. So, we decided to learn about cause and effect, and our I can statement was, I can define and use language related to cause and effect. We learned about cause and effect, we looked at a cartoon, and here are our power words. So remember, the cause is why something happened. The effect is what happened as a result of that cause. And the relationship is how the cause and effect are related. Now, I hope that you've had a wonderful time today. I can't wait to talk to you tomorrow. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.